Alright guys, we are doing another unboxing. Gustavo's going to be helping us today. We got quite a bit of products from Car Supplies Warehouse that we want to talk about and kind of show you why we like to use them. What's the first product on there, Gus? Alright, so these are ceramic coating towels. We use these to level all of our ceramic coatings. All of our 9/8 ceramic coatings harden to a crystal-like form whenever it's cured. So these towels actually got to get tossed every time after we use them. So all these towels go in the trash. I know it kind of sucks. These towels are a little expensive, but it's worth getting good towels to level ceramic coatings. Otherwise, you leave high spots behind. And if you don't know what a high spot is, a high spot looks like it's basically a streak. And it's a streak that won't go away without wet sanding or compounding. So very important to use high quality towels. These are the pearls from the Rag Company. All right, what's the next item, my boy?
We got more of these.
We got more of these. We got more of these because we do a lot of ceramic coatings.
Boom!
All right, so this is a complimentary product that they sent me from Lenos Garage that I've never used before. So I have used Lenos Garage products before. I used their interior cleaner, and guess what, guys? It worked a lot better than anything I've ever used from Chemical Guys. But that shouldn't be a surprise if you are a true detailing enthusiast. Sorry, Chemical Guys users. Chemical Guys is just not the best product, unfortunately. Best marketing, not the best product. Lenos Garage, on the other hand, this stuff works really well. This is a quick detailer, and I'm guessing that this is a Carnauba-based quick detailer. And in today's detailing scene, quick detailers aren't really used as much as they once were, but these are still good to have on hand for emergencies, like if you have a bird dropping or bugs. Even if you catch them fast enough, this will get it off. Also, my favorite use for quick detailers is as drying aids. So with the car still wet, after you're done washing it, you'll spray the entire car while it's still wet. And this will give you a few extra seconds before that water starts to dry on the surface. This will let you dry it a lot easier, a lot quicker, because it adds hydrophobic features to the wetness of the car. They're only temporary, but it does help out tremendously. What's the next product, boy?
Boom!
All right, so we've got Q2 Rim here. This is a great product for your wheels. This is a professional ceramic coating. And this stuff, because it's specially formulated to withstand all the high temps that your wheels reach, this stuff will actually last 1 to 2 years. Unlike anything else that you can put on your wheels, most ceramic coatings that you put on your wheels only last a couple of weeks, maybe a month and a half at best, because it gets way too hot and it just gets cooked off. So this is a professional grade product from Gyeon that will last 1 to 2 years. Make sure you ask us about this when you come in for your detail. All right, what else you got, boy? I love the packaging from Gyeon. Super cool. Way to go, Gyeon.
I forgot.
All right, so this one came open, but this is a true 9/8 ceramic coating. This is one of our favorites from Gyeon, and Gyeon does a great job of sending everything you need. But most importantly, what I think Gyeon does best is send you this maintenance guide that you can give to your client after they've gotten their car ceramic coated. So this will tell you how to care for the ceramic coating. It'll tell you how to properly wash the car, as well as give you product recommendations. Really cool little addition from Gyeon. Way to go, Gyeon. You guys are killing the game. What's that, my boy?
It's the sticker again. It's another sticker.
All right, let's see that sticker. What is that sticker?
There's this kind of sticker. That's kind of sticker.
All right, so this is a sticker that will allow you to check off what product they got and what time and date they got it. That way you can know when they need to reapply it. Really cool stuff. Just stick it in there, son.
I like it on the fridge.
No, this doesn't go on the fridge. It goes on the client's car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that sticker only goes on the fridge. That one says the same letter. The both the difference.
Yeah, that
Black?
one says G-ionized on it. Then we can put those on the fridge.
Yeah, that one's black and that one's white.
All right, what else we got?
Bum, 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 bum.
Man, another Gyeon product. What is this? Oh, this is Gyeon leather. I forgot I ordered this. So this is a leather coating from Gyeon. It's their leather shield. And this is also good for 1 to 2 years. And this is kind of what modern day leathers need. We don't really have any leathers that aren't clear coated anymore. So back in the day, you would want to put a conditioner on your leather because it could seep into the leather. But now you're really treating clear coat. Hence a ceramic coating for your leather that'll make it hydrophobic and stain resistant for up to a year. Good stuff. Ask us about these add-ons when you come in for your details. Great packaging from Gyeon. Stick all that back in there. Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, those things are super soft.
Super soft for
Okay, this is the last thing.
leather. All right, what else we got in there?
This is the coolest thing. Boom, boom, boom.
All right, so these are some high-end polishes. Let's get them out. This is Koch Chemie. If you guys haven't heard of Koch Chemie, it's probably because it's a professional grade product that is not sold in stores. What you got there, son? You like that one?
Yeah, it's purple. Like Mama's favorite color of mine.
Yeah, I thought you liked yellow.
I like yellow as well.
All right, so the difference here between micro cut and fine cut. So fine cut would be the second step in what's commonly known as the two-step correction. So this would be the refining process. You can also skip the skip the first step if the car isn't so bad and just do a one-step. And this will work great with that. We've got special pads that pair up with this really well. And then the micro cut is more so for a new car. You'll see on here that the polish, the gloss level is super high. The gloss level there is an 8. The gloss level here is a 7. So this can also be used as a third step in a 3-step correction where you go over the entire job one more time with a really soft pad and add that last level of gloss. But like I was saying before, you can use this on a new vehicle that you want to get some more gloss out of before you seal it in with a ceramic coating. Great products from Koch Chemie. Very well thought out. And alright, so this is something from our friends at Car Supplies Warehouse letting us know that we got a free product. So this is an effort by Car Supplies Warehouse and Lenos Garage Products to introduce us to their product line. Now, us here at Go Detailer Go, we only use products that we can buy in bulk. So we can't really buy this in bulk. So we won't be using this regularly, but I will give it to a customer. The next customer that comes in for a ceramic coating or a full detail, I'll hook them up with this quick detailer because I trust this product. I know this product is not going to disappoint. So big thumbs up from my boys at Lenos Garage. If y'all have used it before, or if y'all just love Leno, give us a thumbs up, leave us a nice comment. All right, and I know we have more products.
We got this big boy.
So, all right, what else do we have here? All right, so this is a ton of pads, and yeah, I'll let you do something inside. Just dump them all on the table, boy. I know you've been dying to do it. All right, so this is a ton of pads from Rupes Pads.
Yeah, little one.
Yeah, we got the yellow one and we got the blue one. So these work together. So these blue pads, you would use them on a car that has heavy swirling. This will help you cut through it, but it'll leave a haze behind because you got to remember that when you're compounding, it's pretty much like liquid sanding. So then you'd have to come back around with their fine pad to remove all the haze and bring out that gloss. We got a ton of these. We've got a big project coming up soon, so we needed a ton of them to get her done. All right. I know we got more products. Let's put all this up and let's get the next box of products.
Just hold them this as well. This?
Did I miss one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so this is another blue pad. This is a foam pad and this is a wool pad. The wool pads can cut through really heavy swirling really fast. The blue pads the blue foam can do that as well, but it's really gonna depend on the softness or hardness of the paint that we're working with. That's gonna determine the decision for which pad we're gonna use. So, and that's case by case basis. Every single car has a different type of paint. Every single car has different paint behavior. It can get tricky sometimes, but that's why we work with a bunch of different pads and a bunch of different chemicals. You'll see some different pads here in a minute too. I'm pretty sure I got some pads from Koch Chemie in that other box. Alright, what else do we have? Alright, so we got a ton of these. How many of these do we have, boy? We ordered a ton of these Autofibers.
1, 2,
bring them all up here,
3,
son. There you go.
4, 5.
5. I thought I ordered 6. I guess not. So we got 5 of these Autofiber zero cuff mitts. We like to get a new set every month or so. We run through these pretty fast. They get dirty and they don't wash properly anymore. So yeah, these are really cool. Really good stuff. All right, next. All right, so we got some Megs Hyperwash. I still have about a quarter bottle left in the back. This is my foaming soap. Really good, good stuff from Megs. Megs has been in the game for a long time. Not all of their products are phenomenal, but this is one of the ones that I really, really love from Megs. Really good foaming soap. All right, Xpress interior cleaner. This is what we like to use on interiors, and the reason I really love this is because it's safe on everything. It's safe on your screen as well. A lot of products, stronger products like APCs, if you're using concentrated products, they can cause damage to your screen, and we don't want that. So that's why Xpress interior cleaner is our favorite. All right, a bunch of pads.
What?
Ton of pads. All right, so we got a bunch of little pads. These pads are really good for getting into smaller areas when we're polishing, when we're doing paint correction. It's important to have the right pads. These are great pads from Oberk for our 3-inch machine that lets us get into all the details. What else we got, son? So I don't know, these are sprayers. They belong to something in there. What else do we have in there? All right, so here are some pads from Koch Chemie. Koch Chemie heavy cup pads.
Let's see what color are these.
Alright, so these pads are black with a red backing. All of Koch Chemie pads are black though. They all have a different color backing to help you identify.
White, blue, black, and purple.
Yep. They all have a different color backing, and the stiffness is what determines pad coarseness. So if you're trying to figure out how coarse your pad is or how much cut it has, you can do this. This will also let you know, but you can also try to squeeze it. If it's stiff, it's going to do some work. All right, I love the way they box this too.
Yeah.
All right, so we got Rags to Riches. Great product for washing, you guessed it, all your microfiber rags. Cleaning your microfiber rags is very important, guys. I see a lot of customers, a lot of my clients come in here with dirty rags, and usually those customers come in with the swirled out cars. So you can't forget to wash your rags, guys. Buy good quality microfiber rags and then wash them. And very importantly, you have to use a gentle soap. So this is the soap I like. It's specially designed for microfiber, but you can use anything that's gentle and additive free. Also remember, never dry your rags on high heat. Always dry them on low heat, and never wash with hot water. This is my favorite glass cleaner. This is an aerosol glass cleaner from Stoner's Invisible Glass. I like it because when you spray it, it doesn't get all over everything. It sprays directly where you put it, and it's very effective. Been in the game for a long time. You can get this stuff anywhere. If you're detailing your own car, try this. You're gonna love it, guarantee it. And if you want to know what kind of rags to use with glass cleaning, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. We found what these sprayers go to. This is Iron X. It's the leading iron remover in the game right now. You guys notice we love a lot of Gyeon stuff. Gyeon does make an iron remover, but we are not blindly loyal here. We go with what works, not with, you know, just because we like Gyeon for ceramics doesn't mean we're going to be blindly loyal and go with them for everything. I've tried their iron. It's good, but this is great. Removes embedded iron contaminants. If you want to know what that is, let me know and I'll tell you in the comments. I'll give you a clue. It's those little rust specks that you'll see on your white car. This will take them out, along with a few other processes. All right, what else we got? What in the world?
Where?
G-Technic. They, see if I got another one. No. They just redid their bottling. So this is the G-Technic Panelwipe. I didn't know what the heck it was. I hadn't seen this bottle. But this is a very important step in the paint correction process. If your detailer is not using this, then you're not getting an accurate result. Because when you use chemicals like this, or compounds polishes, I should say, they embed themselves into paint's pores and they create a false result. So you might think that you got all those scratches out. You might think you're looking at a realistic glossy finish, but you're not. You're not looking at the real picture until you panel wipe it, because this removes all the things that go into your paint's pores so that you have a true representation of what your paint's going to look like after it gets sealed. That's why we always pull the car out into the sun and take a good hard look at it before we ceramic it. We panel wipe it and then we roll it out to look at it. If we need to do some spot corrections, we will. What else we got? All right, so this is the product that accompanies these pads. And you'll notice the red with the red band. These are yellow. They have a yellow pad. It's also black, but it's got a yellow backing and it's not as coarse. Yeah. So, really good product from Koch Chemie. Great for removing heavy swirling. What else we got, son?
The last thing.
The last thing? The last thing. Okay, we ordered some leather cleaning brushes from Color Lock. Wow, we got 2 of them. I wish they wouldn't have stuck them in there like that. This one's a little out of shape. It's all good. I love the way that sounds.
Yeah.
That is the sound of
wood.
You're about to get some really clean leather. That's
wood.
What that sound is.
It sounds like wood.
Yeah, it's wood. So these are very soft bristle brushes to clean your leather. And it's to get in all the little cracks and crevices, in the little areas between the bolsters. You can get in there really good and you can get all that stuff out. And then when you're done cleaning your leather, boom, you bust out the, where is it at? The Gyeon leather shield. Good stuff, man. Anyways, that's all the products we got to talk about today. Thank you for joining us in another unboxing. I'm Mike, the shop manager here at Go Detailer Go. And this is my boy, Gustavo. Who are you?
Yes.
That's Gus. That's Gus. He doesn't like Gustavo yet. That's my boy Gus. You'll see him here helping me if you guys come out here. We pay him a very fair fee. How much do you get paid?
$9.
$9?
And 10.
He definitely doesn't get paid that much at 5 years old. It'd be nice, but he doesn't. Anyways, that's it. Go Detailer Go. Out.
Hey!